Hello, hello, hello. Welcome on in, everybody. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Why is that on Steam and not my character? One second. Goodbye. There it is. I don't understand why I did that. Okay, that was weird. Alright, let's get that timer started. But yeah, you might notice I'm back in Rhinopolis armor. I did a bunch of grinding over the weekend, getting some stuff. I got all the requests taken care of. Sorry. Well, with that, I'm now set for today's stream. Oh wait. So yeah, let's go ahead and go online, and we'll get the lobby code set up. I don't know why I went into there first. Oh, not find lobby. Create lobby. Any language. I like putting the host picks quest first so that people actually see it. And HR minimum to 6, just to be safe, so that people aren't coming in and can't join quests. Alright, what is the lobby code? JLS3KM. Alright. So yeah, if anybody wants to join up, they can now. I like the Rhinopolis armor because it's a teddy bear. Alright, so next on the quest list is 20 Rhinopolis or 20 Custodon. Yay! Let's go ahead and eat. Boom. Oh, hey look, somebody already joined in. That's neat. Oh wait, I'm HR5, not HR6. 1 second, I'm gonna edit the lobby. I thought it was HR6 for some reason. Let me fix that real quick. Yeah, even if you choose not to join me, this is a pretty easy quest I can handle on my own. I just got done talking to my best friend, and her neighbor's daughter had the worst experience out in the Sand Plains. Apparently, the locals are extremely rude and wouldn't stop butting in her business. The nerve. Sorry, I'm still waking up for today a little bit. But yeah, so we're just gonna work our way through HR5, and when HR5 is done, we'll end stream. Tomorrow, we'll knock out HR6 and HR7. Because tomorrow I can do the long streams. I don't like doing long streams on Tuesdays. Tuesdays are a day of pure relaxation for me. I'm confused. Oh, right there. I didn't know there was a spot right there. Oh, I mean, I probably did. I just always ignored it. You know, it'd probably be a good idea to switch my weapon to not a fire one, because I know where Noplos can resist fire as well. Equipment info, or actually, yeah, even status. Fire resistance 13, I'm only weak to ice, so after I kill this for Noplos, I'll head to camp and switch to an ice bow. That way I'm better equipped to take these things out. Alright. Maybe while in combat. Or is that just still in animation? Anyway. Oh yeah, I also crafted basically every single bow I can. Because, you know, might as well get one of each for the hell of it. Oh, hold up, I want to make sure my items are good. They are good. I don't want the raw meat in my inventory though. Yes, I guess anyway. But yeah, I hope everybody had a good week. I was very tired yesterday because, like, as I said on Wednesday last week, my work schedule got changed, so I'm off Tuesdays and Wednesdays now. But because this week's the new week, it put me on working on Monday. Yeah, which put me at 6 days in a row. So yesterday I was just fucking exhausted. I don't work a super demanding job either. I work help desk. It's just, you know, 6 days in a row mental work is exhausting. I used to believe literally anybody could do help desk if they were willing, and that I've since learned I can't trust humans to do shit. If I had a nickel for every single fucking time I've heard, my computer isn't turning on, it just keeps saying no signal, I'd have half of one of my paychecks. Because they're just messing with the monitor, not the computer. Ah, that is much better, how quickly these go down. Because most people don't really pay attention or care, but the small monsters also have elemental weaknesses. You can tell that from looking at the armors you can make from them. That's underground. So let's head underground. Whee! Oh wait, not right here. Excuse me, sorry. Excuse me again, jeez. See, went from 6 shots to 4 shots. Or at least 6 shots, I should say. That one was a good distance away from him, so it's not surprising he took a couple more hits. Because the bow does have distance-based damage. There. Oh yeah, I also went ahead and finished taking a photo of everything I could find. That's what. Oh. Okay, I guess I'll kill you right now. I was thinking if I needed anything from you. Yep, I still haven't. I haven't gotten your high rank item yet. There it is. All right. Turning quick, I actually do need that for a couple of things, but right now I'm not worried about that too much. Sorry, I was rearranging a couple things on my disk so I have access to things easier. I'm excited though. In a few weeks, or in about 2 weeks, Fantasy Life I is out. I'm ready. I've got pre-order on my PS5. I bought a couple copies for some friends. Zoom. Or that person's still in the lobby or if they've left. Oh, look, there's still one right here. I've got another Let's Look at, finally ready for next month. But this month it is, shit, I don't remember. Let's find out. Because it goes live, next week anyway. On, Thursday. What was this one? I think I remember now. Let me just verify before I say it out loud, because I have a couple of these recorded in advance. Yes, it is Fairy Tail Portable Guild 2, which, if anybody watched my Fairy Tail Portable Guild 1, I started questioning whether it was actually Hunting RPGers had similar elements, but Fairy Tail Portable Guild 2 is very obviously built in the same exact engine and is very obviously a hunting RPG, so it just confirmed that I just couldn't figure out what I was doing for it in Portable Guild 1. But you know. Yep, they left. That's fine. Visarios and Volvidon. I know Volvidon's weak to water. What's Visarios weak to? Large monsters. Wait, did I not? Oh, apparently I'm still missing Mitsutsume. Anyway. Also weak to water. Neat. Okay. I have a piercing water. That would be perfect. I have 3 waters. Let's see. Rapid. Spread. You're the only one that's pierced, but you're weak as hell. Let's see if I can upgrade you. If not, I'll just go for my strongest water. Ludroth tree, Ludroth tree. I can upgrade it, sweet. $140, that's much better. Huh, almost looks like I have a hat. Neat. Now let's make sure I'm stocked up on my coatings. Okay, good. Alright, with that, we're gonna go ahead and wait a moment in case anybody wants to join in. We'll just give it till the, hey, well, you know, 5-minute mark. I love when it works out to where it's gonna be the 5-minute mark. It's like giving people a chance to join the quest from the start. I gave Monster Hunter Dose a shot the other day. Like, I haven't recorded anything from it yet, but I am planning to. But, God, I hate the PS2 controls for Monster Hunter. Why did Capcom think those were a good idea? Oh yeah, I also found out Capcom has a creators program, speaking of, so I signed up for it. If I get in, I get in. If I don't, I don't. I just thought it was worth a shot, because, you know, might as well. Because it was, especially since their code of conduct was very good, because they do not allow any form of hate speech in their from their creators, and I like that. Sorry. I just want to sort these. Oh yeah, speaking of equipment though, I also got it crafted, I think. Yeah. Always gotta get that spear tuna. But yeah, about just over 2 more minutes left if anybody wants to join in. If not, I'll just send a join request while we're out too. That way, if anybody just wants to do join request, they can join as well if they don't join the lobby. Sorry. A little foggy of a throat there. Another throat could be a little foggy, giant. I wonder, are my upcoming quests against the music today? Of course not. Oh well, I'll get that photo at some other point then. Anyway. 1 second. Alright. I had to clear my throat. And did not want be making that noise on mic, because that's loud and nobody likes it. But yeah, we got about 30 seconds left if anybody wants to join in. Alright, let's go. Alright, Ace lesson time. Strategically strike from distance like the Volvidon and get up close and personal like Pistarios. Either firing styles to the long-range high-powered heavy bowgun, you should learn something new. No! Damn it. they both here? Yep. Damn it. Over in the lobby, Joaquin. That's the name I said. Perfect. Help me. Ow. Bye, Joaquin. Oh, thank you. Oh, come on in, Nessie. Uh-oh. Another bow user, right? Come on, get up. Really? I mostly do that just to get my stamina and health back. Sardis has way too much health. We got 3 people hammering and it's just not going down. Well, hey Nelly. Thanks for the lurk. Apisarios did not want to go down. Let's try this again. I read that, so we're not going to bother reading it again. Messi's there. Or the Pisarios goes down a little better this time. That was tanky as hell last time. I know they're tanky, but you know what? I dodged. Oh shit, I'm gonna die already. I forgot to restock my mega potions too. Back, Duck 9. Ow. Hit. God, this is an annoying ass combination. Doing messy. Messy finally get down here? Yep. Okay. You know, it does mildly annoy me how many hunters, or how many players online refuse to join things like Hunt 20 Kestodon, but only care about like hunting Mysterios or whatever. Like, come on, half the fun of the game is, you know, just doing everything. Stop. You know what though, from what little I played Monster Hunter Ghost, while just checking it out, it's weird in that it's the only Monster Hunter I played where they do not give you a set starter equipment. You just have the sword and shield, you don't get to choose. I'm really fucking hating this combination fight. I think Messi realized they're the problem because they have not come down. Now it's nothing broken on this Mysterios yet. I'll give us some relief for a minute. Just on the off chance. That Viserion does not want to die. Ow. Volodon or Viserion, one of you two, get over here. Why won't you die? Not even... chest is broken, your head's broken, the only thing that's left is your back and your tail. You're taking everything. I'm almost out of healing items. And I can't safely die if I wanted to. Because if any of us die, that's mission failed. Finally, okay. One, two. Alright, that's one down. Alright, now we can focus. I am out here, man. It's neat. Wonderful. As he's finally rejoined the fray, huh? Nope. God damn it. We're so close. That's partially on me for forgetting to restock my healing items. And I will fully admit that. Oh, we should get this time. I'll go defender this time. Really? Going for the Yakumo look, huh? The Monster Hunter Portable 3rd look, huh? Or Castle Cagliostro type, eh? No. Apparently there's an eating gesture now. Oh, that's got Giants. You join us? Okay. I got properly equipped for this thing. I just got to restore my healing items last time, so, you know. We're so fucking close. I'm really hating this quest right now because Apistarios is such a fucking tank on it for some reason. Well, everybody's trapped. Donk. I dodged that. Ow. Nope. Okay, yeah, I need heal now. Ow. I'd be all in the game. I'm not trapped in you. No, I'm not trapped in you. You're trapped in you. I fucked it up. Yeah. Alright, there's mushrooms and herbs in there. I mean, I could have, oh well. What they say, hindsight's 50-50. That was actually a complete accident I messed up, but it's kind of funny to say it that way too. Because honestly, it's actually kind of more accurate about hindsight than hindsight's 2020. It's perfect. No, it's not. It's your hindsight could tell you something would have been a good idea, and then you go and look at it. We go and think about it. It actually turns out that way would be worse than the way things turned out. Alright. Giant Basarios hunted. Lose the Volgadon, which I've already dealt a significant amount of damage to. It's going much better this time. You don't see anything. Figure might as well. I don't know, if I end up doing that road to 100, would y'all be interested? Where I go back and do finish 100 Monster Hunter Generations Ultimate, or either Generations Ultimate or frickin' Ragnarok Odyssey Ace. Those are the two main ones I'm interested in doing 100% up. Alright, there's the Omniplegius Siek. Wait, was this thing already built, or is there a way to break these down smaller than they normally are? Either way. You think that's gonna stop me? Oh, well, you know, it stopped me. Alright, those are weak to fire, right? I know Royal Ludroth is, Almudron, or not Almudron, Giotto, or Thunder? Okay, Royal Ludroth. Thunder it is. I only have only 3 Thunderbolts. Okay, well that's not a hard choice. Alright, when everybody's ready, we'll head out. Just waiting on you, buddy. Also, let me go ahead and send my guild card to the last person in the group. Happy birthday. You got a guild card. Waiting on you. Alright, it's lesson time. Like the Royal Ludroth and Giottos, you'll need to be in water. Wait, no, you'll need to be as water. I mean, you'll have to be flexible according to the situation. Understanding this is the key to unlocking the Charge Blade's potential. Whee! I have raw meat on me again. Nope. Okay. That was on me. What are you doing? It's also 44 is new to Rise and doesn't understand how the writing should work. Hasn't fully learned the quote-unquote meta of the ride. Try and slash your tail, buddy. Because apparently nobody else is. Can't have much left on the tail. And dealing with his elemental weaknesses and constant slashing it. Tail's gotta be coming close to cut. Get that damn tail already. Alright, I forgot I don't have a Earthbreaker. It's not helping things in this case. Okay. I was trying to get the tail, but sure, whatever. Whee! You know, I like how this Monster Hunter is actually themed around a ninja village, and yet there's no real. The bow is the closest thing to a ninja-style weapon. Bows and the heavy bow guns, like how what people stereotypically think of a ninja weapon anyway. Thank you for not letting 44 get it again. Dragon Piercer, go! No! My Dragon Piercer! Try this again. You know, I forgot how this game works until I was doing high rank. One of the weird things this game does is I was doing high rank expeditions to for those requests. And that was the fact that you can't words please. The fact that unless you fought a monster in high rank already, they do not show up on an expedition at all. Meaning, if you haven't fought anything that shows up in a biome, you only get the most basic monster you've already fought, if anything. Always all small monsters. I want to try getting the campsite, get into the tent before it's too late. Come on, come on. Yes, I made it. That's her wrath. I like being a teddy bear. Someone on Steelworks wants to talk? Oh, I don't care about you. I'm just checking this while I'm out here. Oh, they've been done for a bit then, because that has not gone off the entire time I'm playing, so... Oh, what are you talking about? I've been here the whole time. As soon as those other two ready up, we'll be good. So you're on duck ning. Good, buddy? Okay, let's go. A knight wields her lance to protect the weak, just like Rathian fiercely protects her young. Capture the queen, you'll acquire some new skills for your lance. I still wonder if I've taught anybody that trick about the wraths on while I was playing the earlier games where you have to chase them around the map in the worst ways. I mean, you know what I mean. Like, I actually prefer those games a bit. But, I'm talking like the whole, it's annoying if your paintball wears off because you have no idea where they are part. Wait, there's a monster I haven't seen yet? I must see this monster so I can, get it added to my notebook. Let's go see what this monster is. Get my camera out. Arajan. Okay. We're good now. Bye, Rajong. I just had to get you added to my list. Ow, fuck. Run! Is it still chasing me? Did it give up? It gave up. It didn't give up! Ah! I'm sorry! Goodbye, Rajan. See if my curiosity get better of me. We're not quite ready for a Jane yet, as you can tell. Jane is an HR6 or HR7 monster. Try to keep an eye on it. You have to after this. Ow. Dodge one and hit the other. Oh, now I'm not. Now I can't die. Let's go attack that Rajang for the fun of it. Oh, wait. We don't have enough time. I tried. I failed, but I tried. That was completely unexpected, though. I was not expecting Rajang to be there that early. Manage items, or manage equipment. We don't want thunder for this, we want ice. And real quick, Hunter's Nose, large monsters. Badunk. Okay, Master Sushi. I was gonna sit here dancing until everybody's ready. I was waiting on everybody ready up. There's the secret hammer. Well, let's not care. So it's hammer equals thrashing and pummeling your target. Go hunt the Puke and Barrel, and you'll know exactly what I mean. Oof. Sorry. Let's zoom. I'm sorry, I'm having trouble telling what that monster is. Oh, it's Volvidon. I'm just being an idiot. Wrong button. Come on, put away the bow. I'm trying to climb the wall here. Everybody supersonic racing. Gotta keep your feet on the ground. Cause everybody's supersonic racing. Oh yeah, for the people who care about my side endeavors, I wrote a new song for the first time over a year ago, or a few days ago now. It's called Patience, which is ironic. That was an accident. I just didn't think about when I named the song, you know? I write instrumentals and then I name them based on how they feel when I'm done. There's very few I actually knew the name of in advance, because, you know. Hilariously, it actually started out as a completely different song. It was, I was trying to write a fast-paced hyper song, but it sounded complete at 30 seconds. I was like, that can't be right. 30 seconds. So I closed out my software for a few days, come back a couple of days later, and it still sounds done. Like, I can't think of what to put after that. So I just started messing around and adjusting things like changing tempo and all that, and then found that, oh, well, you know, it sounds better at slow tempo. So I went from 30 seconds to 2.5 minutes when I slowed it down to where I wanted it. And shoot. You're fine, little one. I thought you were going after the Fuke Fuke. Where'd that Arachnoid come from? Scar this guy up and then it'll be You're fine, little one. See, you're okay. Right here. Yep. Fuge Fuge. Well, if we made Gypsaros less stupid. Yeah, I'm not a fan of Gypsaros. I don't know why everybody's so happy Gypsaros is back in Wilds. Fucking rubber chip and an annoying one at that. Slow down, little one. He's asleep. Yeah, he's asleep. He can't give you attention. I'm going the wrong way. I swear I don't know what I'm doing sometimes. Focus on this one because it's not broken yet. There we go, now both of them are broken. Stretch. Oh, sorry. Need a drink. Oh well, I'll get one later. Let me find we're about halfway through. We'd be further along if that first quest today didn't give us so much trouble. Oh, you're right, Kat. It is about that time. Yeah. Where's my baby girl? How'd you get back here so fast? Oh, you're probably on Ethernet. Probably use the Ethernet adapter. To be shatting. That be shatting me. Large monsters. Oh, I'm already equipped with the right weapon. Neat. Ba-dong. I'll be back in just a second. I'm just checking something up here real quick. I should have taken care of that dojo while I was over there. Just double checking if any of the bows I care about can be upgraded. The answer appears to be no. Okay. Let's go. The shot may move and attack in its own unique way, but when it hits big, it hits big. See for yourself what I mean. You'll definitely find great new ways to swing a great sword. Yeah, I remember now that when I first beat the game, base game of this game, I was annoyed that the spider was behind multiplayer. Oh, wait, that's mild habit I picked up from Dose kicking in right now, because I played Dose just like 2 days ago. Y'all go that way, I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna get that puppet spider. And look at that, I already restocked my weapon, or my potions. Cowards. Don't want to fight this thing by yourselves. I don't want to go with the high rank person, huh? Well, I guess this is my fight then. Take the easy way over here. Wow, that is a much smaller beat shot. I'm almost certain that's a gold crown.
クラムウテラメオダラ騎手
I just know someone out there sees how many or how many gems I get while I play these and is jealous because I don't work for them and I don't use them. Because I'm not a min-maxer, I'm not really worried about getting the best of the best. Alright. We're finally on to the key quests. Bye, Finn. Alright, I want to switch to Thunder. Plus 44. Oh. If I wanted to, I get the upgrade be shot, and I don't, but you know, if I wanted to. There's some Minerva carapaces. Waiting for other people to show up. Think we can't do this? Think I'm some sort of punk? Actually, I should see if I can upgrade my armor. I'm pretty sure it's at max though. Yeah, it's at max, okay. Well, if you don't want to ready up, I'll just head out without you. I'll give you 30 seconds to ready up. Alright, have fun sitting here. Hunter, 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 we must go at once. As we speak, the Queen herself is gracing the Shrine Ruins to capture her majesty in all its glory, but here, Raytheon are rather difficult to work with. Perhaps he can assist me.
ガモールはい。ベルダ・ラガスラグシダメだ。はいな。 クラムウテラ
Alright, progress has been made. Quite a bit of progress. We're almost done. First, let's grab those, and then firing.
ミスタス・スニュラ
Hunt up Basarios.
入入次第
What is Basarios weakest against anyway? I want the water because the one thing, but dragon. I have one dragon bow. I think. Yeah, one. Arco Uno Black. I should make sure this thing's got its rampage skill set.
トラグ
I have up weapons. There it is. Of course I don't. Okay, do I want Dragon Boost or I want Attack Dragon Boost?
おうニュートラ
例の足
シクラゼホ
Had a new guy on the team get pretty messed up by Viserios. He came across the border jutting up out of the ground and thought he hit the jackpot. Poor kid didn't know what he was doing when he planted a pickaxe square in the monster's rocky rear. Well, that'll scare the shit out of you, yeah. Alright. So I ask, what kind of wrestling do you stream Tuesdays this early in the afternoon for about 20 minutes of shows? Because I like streaming early. It lets me have the afternoon to do whatever the hell I want. Instead of going, oh, I gotta pay attention to time so I can remember to go stream live on time.
君誰？はい。はい。特に。
Missed. Welcome back, plus 44. Deal. Oh, is it just me, or do they actually seem to remove negative effects from armor? Because in 3 and 3 Ultimate, this armor had a negative stun rate. If you got hit, you had a double chance of getting stunned. In this game, it's not there anymore. In fact, you have stun resistance now. Or is that just them going, wait a minute, Renopolis stun people all the time. Maybe you should be able to resist them instead of being stunned. his recovery. Okay. Ow. Yeah, you good? I'm just gonna dance. Go away, Bouquet. Alright. Oh, yeah, in a second I gotta take care of something up here before I forget. Housekeeper. Mercenaries. Let's go. Alright. Oh wait, that's right. What were we hunting? Fouquet. I'll switch thunder then. I'm absolutely fuming right now. I spent months breaking my back to have a good harvest this year. It only takes one day for that googly-eyed monster to wipe out all my crops. You can go harvest this fucking hide for me? Oh, the fucking was implied. You can tell. Ow. Bad stretch. Ow. I stretched my legs and almost Charlie horsed myself. I thought you were taking my route I normally take. I like going this way because it lets me get a good amount of stuff on the way up.
無理だ
Oh, wait, for those wondering why I do the Ring Fit Adventure at the end of stream instead of at the start, it's because of how much it wears me down. That way I can recover instead of trying to stream all fucking exhausted. Let's try this again because I didn't get the the puppet spider. Thank you.
有利だなゼラですはいジナレ
Feel my wrath. It just hasn't landed yet. Oh, the reason I don't check my friend requests on stream very often is or I try not to anyway, is because a couple people's actual names are on there because they don't use hidden names. I don't want to dox anybody. Even if it's just their first name, you know. Another be shotting, huh? That's ice, I remember that. I find it funny that I only have one ice weapon. Yeah, I can't do that quest yet. Alright, y'all have fun. I'll go hunt the Bishatten, because I can't join that one. It was my first time seeing a Bishatten up close. It looked so playful and friendly. You even started throwing fruit to me. I thought they were presents, but one of them blinded me with a flash and it was at my tail. What a meanie. Go teach it a lesson for me. Like, if I could help, I would, but I can't, so... Y'all have fun with that? I'll take this Bishatten. Because that's obviously the rank up quest, and y'all know I have no issue helping people with those. Oh wait, if anybody wants to join, they can. Oh wait, Ring Fit Adventure will be being skipped today just because I don't have any water. I'm going to the store after streaming some stuff. Like, I'm literally out of everything right now. I have some food, but literally drink-wise, I have our unfiltered tap water, and I don't have safe drinking water where I live, so... in my case, it's because of a dry cleaner spillage from 20 years ago. Dry cleaner legally dumped some of their chemicals, and ever since it's been EPA cleanup site. This is how I was always told it was an illegal dump. It's possible it was an accident. Because accidents do happen from time to time, whether a pipe broke or whatever. Welcome on in, Tabona. Whoa, did the frame rate just drop like crazy there? Or was that just my eyes playing tricks on me? Somebody else is trying to join up, who knows who though. See, someone else has a silly dog outfit. That was a tiny shot. Okay, that tells me you don't know the best route for the, beef chat. Either you just missed, that's also a possibility. Or dealing with riding monsters anyway. Not dealing with fish chat specifically. Let me up, damn it. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I was on a healing item. Let me pop up the prompt so I can remove it. Thank you. Somebody else trying to join? What's going on there? They finished their other quest that they were working on? Yep, they finished up their other one.
Da, Benny!
Oh hey, Beeps, welcome on Ian. Already that time of day, huh? Guys, I had the same idea, it looks like. Yeah, fuck you, Robbie. Fine. Guess we won't trap it. We only got a few more quests left and we're done for today. Neck pop. Yeah, give me that gold ticket.
シーだ。ミスター・スニュラー。ニュヌシダー。
Yep. $146, 140, 120. Yeah, to fix that. I like the blessed ring. Yeah, I probably won't be able to upgrade that until, well, I get the Mizutsune quest, you know? What was I trying to look at? I forgot entirely. Alright, it was this one. I want to see. Okay, I don't have an Almudra in place. I can't upgrade this further. There we go. That way joining quest is immediately going because they want to do their HR6s and I don't have HR6 unlocked, so I can't do shit about it. Give people a chance to figure out which quests are going on and then I'll go. Alright, let me just get this real quick. Man, I cannot catch a break. I was making my way through the plains when I started hearing this boingy, boingy, boingy noise. Then suddenly 2 Volvidon appeared out of nowhere and rolled over my cart to make my source. Any produce that I could get a squash was covered in their nasty spit. Volvidon means 2 areas. Zoom, zoom, zoom. That is a big Volvidon. Jesus Christ, look at the size of that fucker. If that ain't a crown, I'll be shocked. try to go for a capture on both these so I can get some more Omniplegia sacks. Try to get maximized number I get. Oh. Didn't mean to do that. Yeah, gotta go over here. Alright. Because you're maxed out, I'm making sure because if it gets to the one, no one's right after it. That's when you aren't using an active count because that does happen. I knew it was large. Yeah, I'm not getting any Omniplegias from this thing though. I know that for a fact. Oh, you know I was wrong. Curse you, Desire Sensor. You tricked me. What was that? Seriously. Nope. I selected with photo. Oh well. Barroth! Get the Barroth! There's no way in hell I'm gonna make it to get to the Barroth. I know that I'm gonna please you, sick. I wonder if that's enough to upgrade that one weapon that needed them. I think it was the Chaos Bow. I know I need other stuff for the Chaos Bow, but you know. The fewer I need of one, I am the better. Hello again. An urgent quest awaits you. You've been requested to dispatch an agitated Mizusune. Usually docile, we rarely pay these creatures any mind. However, this particular Mizusune has gone hopping mad. Just don't get it, get it. Okay, we'll investigate this matter further. Your job is to ensure the monster is dealt with swiftly. Hop to it, hop to it. Ah! I don't know why I did it that way, but whatever.
ジャージーミスタスデオイルクミスタスモーニーニュニュシダー ラーメトゥーラ
トラグさあイディ
Nope, I'm one short.
マビウス
Oh, hey Tomoe, how you doing? Alright, I was so close. Right as I was about to land the final blow on Barrows, my feet got stuck in some mud. Don't even proceed to stomp the crap out of me, then it got away. Once I'm better, ow, I'm gonna go and finish what I started.
BG ムラフィはい
Since Barroth is the only monster on the map right now, that means it's gonna be more tanky Barroth.
ベルダラガス
I don't remember what my gathering quests are, so I just figured might as well. Oh, there is a Wrath here. Never mind. Hi, Wrath. Bye, Wrath.
ああ 無理だ
I've noticed a problem with this game that I actually take, though. I have not seen the Barroth go underwater once. Do that all the time in Monster Hunter 3. But I haven't seen it do it since 3, really. Maybe 4, I don't remember in 4. And slash. Slash. Alright, I just realized I didn't fire the join request.
だモール
Since everybody is off doing an HR6 quest, I'm the only one in HR5 still.
ダメだ
And this is why I actually set my stuff to be
ベルダラガス
host chooses a quest, but we're so close to done, I just don't care about kicking anybody. We got 3 quests left for today, so this one, the last one in HR5, and then Mizutsume. Well, it's not like barrel saying really challenge. I wonder if Barroth is ready to cast stock. It looks like a large cast stock. Bye, Jinzu. Oh, that's my dog. Not a very large barrel authority. I should have done down to Punisher. Oh well. down, buddy. Yeah, I see that player.
メールだラガス
Cheeky player. And don't.
石村演習 ヤニス
Alright. We're almost done.
Yaji Mistas Tegeyu Nekuna Mistas Yamura
Time to kill Ludus
Aifu Daichi
and get new optional quests going.
Rezaku Ida
140, 140 or 110. Let's see. Rapid or spread? I'd rather have spread against Ludroth. Skadoop.
ドラッグ あるわ シータ
Alright, I'm going. Hey, listen here. Don't go telling people what I'm about to tell you. Capiche? So our special ingredients come from the Flood Forest, but now some rivals are trying moving on our turf. It's not good for business, and we can't have that now, can we? Eh. You know what else they say? They say you gotta talk outside the side of your mouth. I messed that up. Who really cares? We gotta get on these people that are muscling in on our turf. Oh, Ludroth's right in the middle. Well, I'm already in here. Let's actually do the quest. May not be the best at memorizing monster weaknesses, but Royal Ludroth, I don't think I'll ever get you fire. It seems give me that tail. Alright, forward up. Elastic? Do we call sponges when I think about sponges are elastic, what the fuck? You go stretch them and they go right back. That's the definition of elasticity. The things you don't think about sometimes, I swear. With that, we're on to the final quest of the day. Where it's time to kill the Mitsutsune. Lightning. I don't know.
ダージミスターレオンニュヌシラー
Mizusune is weakest to thunder, so I'll grab my thunder bow. So making sure I'm good on my stuff there. Oh yeah, I don't care. You're the one I care about. Avarice. Mizusune has become quite aggressive in the shrine ruins. Why not like this? What would have caused it to go hopping mad? Investigate while you take care of it. Like, there we go. Now I can set you in the book. Oh, that happened. Shit. Am I weak to water with this set? No. I'm not strong against either, but I'm not weak, so, do I have any nutrients? So I can max out my health. got some max potion I'll have to do. Tiny wrath. Come on, hit the dang thing. Thank you. Well, I tried. Wait. God damn, we didn't capture it. Damn, I didn't time that properly.
クラム・ウテラ
Y'all hear that? That's the sound of a spoiled brat. Isn't that right? Yeah. They found our answers. The answer to that which has caused the plague, that has plagued Kamura, the cause of the rampage. You hunt that poor old Mitsu, that's the answer. When the guilds investigating the monsters around it, they came across several telltale signs. They're connected to the rampage, and that Azure Fiend. That's not all. Our scouts informed us they saw the Azure Beast above the shrine ruins. After its appearance, every monster in the vicinity became feverishly violent. And that Mizusune, being in mating season, was intensely affected. We thought monsters were attacking human settlements was simply nature at work. As it turns out, it's really the work of It's the secret behind the rampage. That's why there's always sightings of that beast shortly after the rampage started. Guild has named this fearsome monster Wind Serpent Ibushi. Cause the rampage must be slain. We're sure it won't be long before it returns once more. When the time comes, we're all counting on you. While we wait for further reports, please proceed with the new available 6-star quests. Okay. Can I do that from here? Can I just leave? Nope. Okay. There. They don't get goodbye because they were off doing their own things too much. You'll never guess what happened. I went to the Flood Forest to find some fish to make Bunny Dongo even better, but then Super Nargacuga came and ruined everything. So I went out to a different spot to fish, but then a Super Giardidos showed up, started flinging mud everywhere. The fishies were gone, I got covered in mud, didn't catch anything, it's literally the worst. Could you please do something about those dummies for me? Didn't mean to talk to you. I'll make some donga that are really healthy so everyone stays in tip-top shape. I've been reading some books with Odamai about pharmaceuticals, like that stuff that's good for you all. But hands-on experience is better, right? For that I need some stuff that might be teensy bit hazardous, and no one does hazardous like you. Can you maybe possibly get me some? You got more? Super grateful you always... Quality wyvern egg, okay. Gotta get one of those. Or 2 of those, great. How are you still talking? Yeah, we reworked the recipes, okay. Come to a conclusion, specifically on how I should catch attention, do they not? That means if I write down my poetry with a big brush, it would too. Yeah, Almudron. Alright. So heavy, to wipe my words ink down? No, that's a giant brush. Ugh, that might be my worst composition yet. That might be helpful. Oh, yeah. How's the Palmus going? Okay. Already done. About time. Rare to see you take rare to see without Pele signing off these days, isn't it? Let's upgrade them again. Yay! I have to actually look into those real quick while I remember. Manage equipment, change equipment. Not you, you. I'm gonna stick with strength because it gives me boost in health. Took some time from Nagako and the others, we can forge more decorations for you. Really? That's it? That's all you have to say? More decorations? Fuck you. Anyway, let's see if I can upgrade any of my bows I actually care about. Well, in case anybody's wondering, I did actually hunt some Barrios, but was unable to get a frost sack, so, you know. Okay. I need 2 more Mizusune claws, so I might grind for those after stream. Not like after stream, but you know what I mean. Like later tonight. I have quite an important message for you. We have modified the Meow scenario's kite so they're able to survey further off territories. As soon as I come across new, different materials to collect, if you have no qualms with it, I'd like to get started right away. Oh, they're currently in the middle of a mission, so... Bye. More decorations, yay. Actually, for that matter, let's see if you have the decorations I care about. Yep, I need to get some Zenogre parts though. Okay. That I can do. Well, not right now I can't. We are now able to accept 6-star quests. Please have a look when you have time. I believe the rampage is actually large-scale migration of monsters. I cannot fathom the degree of power which, when surfing Ibushi, must be able to give rise to such an uproar. In any case, there's not a moment to lose. We must quell the rampage. And just get this out of the way, because I might as well before we raid out. Oh, hey look, the Wind Serpent Ibushi is now actually showing on the scroll. Damn. I was hoping you get a new ore. I just want to gather some ores and then we'll like complete quest and head out. Hi, Cuckoo. How you doing, buddy? Sorry. Really? Why are you not giving me any Nova Crystals? I know they're in here. Oh wait. I don't go through that hole, I go right here. I think. I do go through that hole. There we go. That was annoying. Got fire cell stones. Not what I'm after, but you know, I won't complain either. Dive, dive, dive. Oh. I'm just gonna check one more ore spot and then we'll be good. We'll call it. Your scorched ore, you don't count. I mean, like actual ore. Should be some right here if I remember correctly. Oh, that's the wrong exit. That's... Still, there's ore right here, so that's what matters. Alright, with that, I'll try to get these out of the way before next stream. Well, maybe not the Somnicanth one, because I don't have that, but... We're gonna go ahead and raid out. Stop the timer. Because this is going back to the village anyway. We're gonna go ahead and raid the Beeps who are playing near Automata Pia. Let's see, for a raid message, we'll do, of course there's more people want to talk now. I'll talk to them tomorrow. Message is gonna be, yeah, Onomatopoeia raid. But yeah. Thank you everybody for stopping by. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll be HR6 and HR7. In the meantime, though, I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and I'll see whoever's here next time. Bye-bye.